Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to see all of your TikTok comments at once. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you're wondering about some of your old comments that you've made on the TikTok app, it's easy to recover all of those comments and see all of them and read through them. To do that, let's open up the TikTok app here, and then at the bottom right, we'll tap on our profile icon. And then we will tap on the three lines at the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. Now, once we're on here, the very second option, we're going to choose Privacy. And then midway down you can see Download your data, get a copy of your TikTok data, and that will include all of your comments. So let's tap that Download your data. I've already made a request, but you can just at the bottom here, just hit Request Data. And it will process this request to get all of this data. And then at the very top here, you can see Download Data at the top, right? And we'll tap on that. And once this is ready for you, it will give you an option. Currently mine say expired or pending, but it will give you the option to download that data. So once you've gone through the steps, you tap that button. It'll ask you to log in to your account. It'll probably text you a verification code that you'll need to enter in. But once you go through all those steps, then you'll be able to Let's Find My Files app here. Then you'll be able to go and download that, and it will be in your Downloads folder. And then I can tap on the TikTok data, and you can see this is all of my data for my specific account. So on here, you can see direct messages and comments right to the left of it. I can tap on Comments and then open up this, and you can see it shows the exact date and time and the comment that I left on these specific videos. So of course, you don't see that I've commented a ton, but if you have a lot, you could just scroll through and see all of those comments. It's a little bit limited in terms of it doesn't tell you which specific video this was a comment on. It doesn't give you a link to go to that specific video and say delete that comment or edit the comments or anything like that. So it is a bit limited in terms of what you can do, but you can see all of your comments and read through all of those comments. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.